Are you struggling with data quality issues? Does it take you hours, days, or even weeks just to find data errors? Your business depends on data, but if you have data quality problems, it can wreak havoc on progress. Not anymore with BlockDrive, a powerful yet fast and easy online data quality tool designed to pass through your data files and find errors fast. What used to take hours, days, or weeks now takes only seconds. Sign up today for a free 14-day trial to load your own data to try it for yourself. Simply visit blockdrive.com and click Get Started. Enter your contact information and look for the email with a verification code. Then enter your code to sign in and get immediate access to the full version of BlockDrive. From the dashboard view, click Add Data and select the file you want to analyse. BlockDrive works with Excel, TXT, CSV, XML, JSON, MySQL, Azure Data Lake, Google Cloud Storage, AWS, Microsoft, Oracle, and more. Using advanced AI technology, BlockDrive can quickly find duplicate records, missing required values, spelling inconsistencies, impossible values, too many null values, suspicious numbers, data type mismatches, and much more. In seconds, you'll get a comprehensive view of every data issue in your file from the Data Quality Detail Report view. From the dashboard view, you get an overview of data issues on any file you've loaded. Now you know exactly how and where to resolve every data issue. Once you address the issues, you can reload your file to verify that everything has been resolved. Click on Data Configuration to view and control all of the quality check parameters. There you can turn off any parameters that don't apply. It's that simple. Load 500 or 5 million records and find data issues fast. Give it a try. Start your free trial today at blockdrive.com.